will always conquer.
Okay.
You will find your soulmate.
But you will. No matter what generation, dating apps can come and go, but you'll still find your soulmate.
Now for situationships, I'm not that person. I'm a very old school lover of romance and fairy tales.
I used to sometimes feel bad myself that all the scenes that I did with Nani in the beginning, I used to feel bad.
There is somewhere there is beauty to it because you hurt the people the most you love.
Yeah.
I mean, it is sad and it's yeah. I mean, you love me, that's why you hurt me. वो भी होता है.
It has always been to be able to draw from real experiences, real people, make sure the characters feel like real people, make sure they all come across as full-bodied human beings rather than a character that's a 2D cutout that's been written on paper.
Hello people, my name is Reema Chhabra and you are watching Showreel on OTT Play. And today for a super fun conversation, we have with us the entire team of Dil Dosti and Dilemma. Hi!
Hi! Everyone say hi, Reema.
Such loyal students that you have got.
I love them.
Okay, so I'll start with you, the director Sahiba. Thank you from all the small town girls and boys that you have portrayed so well on screen.
Thank you.
I mean, from the point that जो बड़ों के ताने सुनना, चाय पार्टी में गॉसिप होना और फिर वो पूरे गांव में फैल जाना, that still happens. I live in a very small town and it's brilliantly portrayed.
Thank you.
What was
you
your
so
inspiration
much.
behind this?
To be very, very honest, I feel like, again, and I've said this, I know there is a big, and it's unfair for me to say it because I'm from Bombay, but I feel like this gossiping cha party ka happens in Bombay also. It'll just happen a little differently.
In a subtle way.
Yeah, it'll happen a little different. It'll happen on a WhatsApp group or it'll happen on like phone calls. It won't be like a kya tumne suna, kya tumne. So I think for me, inspiration-wise, it has always been to be able to draw from real experiences, real people, make sure the characters feel like real people, make sure they all come across as full-bodied human beings rather than a character that's a 2D cutout that's been written on paper. So, it's even if you don't see why Farzan is the way he is, he will still know what all happened in his life, and that we did that for most of the characters where we were like, give you your backstory, give you whatever. So I think hopefully that's why you are you are finding them relatable and real because we tried very, very hard to make them as real as possible.
True.
And of course, these are such, look at them, they're such cuties.
I know.
That's cutie pies.
Anushka, yours is one of the most complicated characters because she's like in between family bonds, friendships and everything and her presence on social media as well.
Yeah.
But how much of it was relatable for you, like from the real life?
Oh, I think Asmara and Anushka are very similar. We were just discussing this, that from the workshop actually I realized that there are so many things that both of them have in common, like the energy that they have and the chirpiness, the positive, this thing, and they're both also very talkative, by the way. But I feel those similarities I found when I was shooting, I realized even more that there were some similarities, but there were some differences, like the bond that she has with her Nani in the beginning is quite, like, okay, you are from there, I'm from here. It's not like that for me. That's very, very different. I'm very close to my family. I'm a full family person. I love being home. I love meeting my Nana Nani and I'm like literally immensely close to them. And that was difficult also. Like I used to sometimes feel bad myself that all the scenes that I did with Nani in the beginning, I used to feel bad. Like I remembered going to Debbie and being like, Debs, I'm feeling so bad. Ek to it's Tanvi ma'am. It's her. And I'm saying stuff like that. So it's like, it used to make me feel bad, but also you have to understand their characters, it's fiction, and also if you see it from the bigger perspective, if you see the whole picture, if you see the whole show, you understand that that journey is what makes it beautiful, right? If it was always, like if it was just constant, you would probably not be hooked to it. Anybody, I think all of us have our own journeys in the show and that's what makes the script very beautiful. So I had a gala time working on this.
True. Amazing. Okay, is there something that you guys have learned in real life after shooting, after the show, and you thought that, okay, this is something that I don't want to do? Something that your character has done on show?
Nice question.
Very nice question.
Something that I don't want to do.
Yeah. You have learned it in a hard way.
From the character.
Yeah,
from the character. That's a good one.
Don't regret after doing the damage.
Nice.
Nice one.
Nice one. Yeah.
No regrets.
So don't just
make the amends, put the sellotapes
like after
everywhere
doing
you have
damage,
to.
basically don't just sit around going like, kyun kiya, pata nahi.
Yeah, and then the thing is ki, matlab, don't take, because when I know there are people around me to take care of it, I would tend to do it. So before the damage happens, let me like band-aid everything.
That's so true. We cannot even, always think about not damaging anything.
Yeah.
We might do it unknowingly.
You
you
will
see,
do
that's
it
the
unknowingly,
that's
you
the
will.
that is somewhere there is beauty to it because you hurt the people the most you love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it is sad and it's yeah. I mean, you love me, that's why you
It's
hurt
just
me.
how
वो
it
भी
is.
होता है.
Yeah.
True.
So it's just that.
Correct. And even when Asmara's lying to her friends, it's not like she intentionally wants to hurt them.
Right.
She's also like, she loves them so much that she doesn't want to let them down.
And she
wants
doesn't want to
fit
lose
in.
their love.
Yeah.
And she worries that
So that's
what-
her way of loving. So I think that is
At the
really...
end of the day, she's just a teenager.
Yeah, man.
exactly.
I mean, we've all done it.
Yeah, we've all...
All lie
I think
to
that's
parents,
what...
lie to friends.
So basically, we've all learned that lying actually gets you nowhere. You know,
Yeah.
lying, deceiving...
And yet we lie.
and yet we
Yeah.
lie.
Yet
Clarity
people
is
lie.
much better.
So, yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'm not going to stop praising you for more and more things.
Thank
The
you.
Other thing
You should.
that I
You
love
please
about
continue,
it,
ma'am. I will just sit here and bask in your glow.
the other thing that I really
so
loved
cute,
was
man.
when the awesome threesome has conversations. They are like, they also get angry कि अच्छा इसने ये क्यों बोल दिया वो क्यों बोल दिया. But when she is having conversation with Ruxana,
Right.
Ruxana is like, अरे छोड़ना,
छोड़ना.
because she is from a small town
Yeah.
and she doesn't take everything to her heart.
Yeah.
And she knows that people are not bad
In
at
fact,
heart.
I think it was something we discussed with when it comes to Ruxana's character and Asmara's character, that how it's funny because Asmara comes from a far more privileged background.
Yes.
Ruxana not from
Yes.
a more middle class background. But Ruxana, in terms of, she's so fearless about who she is.
Yeah.
कि ऐसे ही है.
हाँ.
अरे मैं twinning बोलेगा छोड़ना.
हाँ,
अरे मैं
right.
ये बोलूँगी छोड़ना. Like she's so like अरे chuck it. Like the same thing if it would happen to Asmara, and that's again a product of your
Yeah.
conditioning, right?
Yeah.
For her, she's so open because she comes with that innocence and that naivety and that slight, that like a sponge. Ki, oh, okay, I will learn. Acha, like that, you have to say, okay, no problem. Like she's so game to try anything
Yeah.
because for her, she's not wrapped up in the consequences. Versus an Asmara, who will be very like, oh, what will T and Noons think? Oh, that was the wrong way to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Or oops. So, so it's nice when we put them together. I remember when we were doing their scenes from episode 3, we were doing their scenes and we had a whole day of just doing their scenes together. And it
Yeah.
was such a freaking joy
Yeah.
because they both brought their characters' energy together into that scene. And so she's like that. She's exactly like Ruxana. She's like, क्या है? क्या हुआ? क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Oh really?
Yeah, she's
I
like that.
was just going to ask you that
Because-
how difficult was it to get into that character,
Oh,
because
I
we don't
think-
generally talk like that.
Most effortless.
Most effortless.
The only thing that she had to work the hardest on that none of the others
character
was
is one
the
of my favorite. by the way.
Ruxana's?
Yes.
Yeah,
She has
absolutely.
stolen the show. Loved it.
But her thing she had. Yay! And it's a debut. And
That's what. And wearing outfits which we don't wear nowadays.
Yeah.
Talk
I don't know
about
what
things
it
that
is.
we don't do, and she is doing it.
I think it's going to become a trend only.
Yeah.
But this also goes to Kush's character.
Yeah.
How was it getting into the character where we don't generally talk like that? इतनी simplicity से, इतना प्यार से, आजकल ये सब कहाँ दिखता है यार?
नहीं मेरे साथ रहोगे मुझे जानोगे तो ऐसा
अच्छा.
दिखेगा आपको.
सबके expression
Sorry,
देख लो,
what?
आपको लग जाएगा.
That's what everyone is shocked.
Sorry, what?
I am pretty much the same. There's not a lot of difference between
They're still laughing. See.
there is not a lot of difference between Farzan and Kush.
Okay.
Honestly, there's a lot of similarities. It wasn't very
No, I
difficult
think
for
Kush
me
is a
to-
little smarter than Farzan. Farzan is a little more,
he
he's
seen
a
more
little
life.
more raw.
हाँ.
Yeah. Like, and I think Farzan has a lot more trauma, so he's a little more, I think Farzan ka he's very because of his problems and because of who he is, no? He's sort of boxed himself in.
Yeah.
I think you're far more open.
Yeah.
And Asmara helps him
Open up.
open up and
more.
see
Yeah.
a different way of life.
Oh, there's a line in the show, I don't know,
Oh, I was
there's a
going to-
beautiful line
I'm
in the
like, can
show
we say that? It's-
which comes in the later episode, but it's not a spoiler or
It's
anything.
not.
At one point he says, तो जब से तुम मिली हो सब ठीक लगने लगा है मैं हंसना भूल गया था and I was like, oh, the two men that cried on set when they heard that line, because they were like, that's such a true line, no? When you find the right person,
Yeah.
you really like laughter comes back, and especially for his character. I don't think you're as serious as Farzan. I don't think you're as guarded as Farzan.
Yeah.
I think Farzan is far more guarded.
Maybe the
Yeah.
others
Like
have
I think
better
you're far more
observation.
loving and open.
No.
Farzan will. I'm sorry. Farzan will think 10 times before putting his hand on my shoulder. तुम तो आ जाएगा
I
झपकी
know.
मारने 2
Yeah,
सेकंड
more
में.
expressive. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
Okay. Okay, but when we talk about dating life or relationships, today we are in a modern dating life era, right? How much did you start missing the old-fashioned love when you saw the show
my
and you
God.
saw the old-fashioned love story there? We'll start.
They haven't seen.
Sorry.
She's not
the
speaking.
perfect girl.
Yeah, she's not speaking.
She's full.
She's a perfect girl to start the
fairy tale.
She didn't. She never wanted only new fashioned love.
Yeah,
Bachpan se
I
only
think
wanted
nobody
fashion.
wants it.
Yeah.
Who wants it? You tell me.
It's true.
Everyone wants it. I mean, we see all these things and we're like,
Yeah.
ये हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं
Yeah,
होता
it's
यार?
true.
You guys
You felt when you saw the
yeah,
show?
that's what I'm saying. You guys make us believe in all these things and then that doesn't happen.
I don't understand. You were just now praising me. How are you shouting at me?
This is also praising.
But this is praise only.
Yeah, that's
Standards have
we are angry. Debbie, we are angry. Where are these men?
Where are these men?
Now find us.
Take no. He's
They
saying
need to come out of your show. They need to come out of your show and find all these women.
Said
It's
of
true.
similar.
I'm telling you, I'm not even joking, Farzan, when we were saying we were all like, it is all our romantic fantasy. This is a fantasy show.
He's enjoying
fantasy
all our
person.
attention.
Yeah, of course. I'm
Fantasy fiction. It was a joke when we were prepping. We kept saying fantasy. There's no person like this doesn't
All
exist.
the relationships in the show, like even like the Chada Pushpa, like
Shada Pushpa
everybody,
too cute.
like all the couples have their own kind of uniqueness, and
Yeah.
they all make you feel something. And I think
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying that the standards have gone even high after playing Asmara, after doing all of these like scenes and everything. And after I watch the whole show, I'm just gonna be like again single for the
Yeah, you
whole
should
year.
know they haven't
Thanks to
watched
Debbie. Like, just great.
Thanks to Debbie.
Yeah.
Excuse me,
Asmara
please
and
immediately
Farzan,
change this
like,
narrative.
whatever's happened.
Now she's also shouting.
No, but she was saying something.
Genuinely.
Yes.
Now
I'm
you
all
say.
ears.
I was saying that I've never been that person who is
Wanted.
into
Modern.
the
The modern
fast-paced,
Oh my God.
modern
Yeah.
love or situationships. I'm not that person. I'm a very old school lover of romance and fairy tales.
Your blush.
I can see your blush. I'm all about love.
Yeah.
So, and I
So
believe
cute.
in it with all
Yeah.
my heart. And I've always known since I was a child. I was telling them I'm from Jalandhar. So I was born and brought up in a small city.
And she was
right?
born on the same road as Yash Chopra.
Yes, I've been brought up in the
On
same
the road
place.
of romance.
So she's
Yes.
used to.
That's the area. That's
Yeah.
the
Laduvali road.
romance.
Therefore, it's like
So,
whatever
yeah, I
you're saying,
think-
it's all romantic.
It's all romantic, and I've believed in it with all my heart, and I knew that I will have a love story, and whenever and however it happens, and
It'll be filmed.
I will know that I manifested this, or I knew this would happen in my life, and that's what I'm all about.
Yeah.
So cute.
Sweet.
We love
Cute.
love.
Yeah. But do you guys think that because of the trend of social media, this is all dying?
Love?
It can. I mean,
Old-fashioned
people
love
can
will
get
never die.
confused. Love doesn't
Love
die.
will always
happened?
conquer.
Okay.
You will find your soulmate.
Auntie.
But you will. No matter what generation, dating apps can come and go, but you'll still find your soulmate no matter how.
And
you
even
live.
if you do find someone on a dating app, it
Or
still
them.
can be beautiful.
Yeah, true.
The
You know,
romance
like
is
I
old
feel,
school.
I
Yeah, you
feel
will
like
eventually find the right
you should
person.
stop trying to.
Yeah.
If
That's
you're
true.
talking about love, the love and the connection and all of the excitement and all of that comes, that can come from a dating app. That can come from an arranged. I've seen people who have nowadays they have no arranged love marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That also
Arranged
exists.
come love, yeah.
Yeah, because the families
So
will
many
get people to
couples.
meet and then they'll
They
learn and
spend
they'll
a year
date and
or
they'll
a half
genuinely get
together.
along.
So actually now
So-
even more we have more opportunities and
Yeah, in
options.
fact, yeah. So I don't think, I mean, at the risk of sounding very contrite, is love is love. क्या बोला तुमने?
Stop
looking
She said
for
we should
love.
stop looking for love.
Stop looking.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Yeah, no, it'll come, yeah. जब आना है आएगा, रुकना है रुकेगा, जाना है जाएगा.
Yeah. But
शांति
I
रखो
think, and I think
सब
there
आते
are
आएगा.
so many different kinds of love. Nana Nani are a
प्यार
slightly
दोस्ती
older
है,
love.
yeah.
Farzan and Asmara sort of mirroring Nana Nani. Naina and Arman are a slightly newer love. Tanya and Dhruv are a slightly one-sided love. Rukhsana, Sohail are their own love. So I feel like love ultimately is it comes in many forms, but the beauty of it is whether you found the right person or not. If you don't
That's
find the right
so
person, even everything will feel like shit.
Otherwise,
even old
move
school.
on.
That's true.
Move
Not
on,
so
she
easily,
has said.
but take some time and move on.
Revati is being suddenly has woken up and has been like,
We know why. We know why. It's okay.
She's
girl.
like, if I don't have it, don't talk about
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I mean,
Like, please,
जले पे
like-
नमक मत लगा दो उसको.
Right, I get it.
आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Although this seems like a very fun clan, but एक scene है show में जहाँ पे a character says teenagers.
Yeah.
How many times in a day did you feel that while
Oh,
shooting
never.
with them? What?
Never. No.
That's a very big compliment,
Yeah,
you guys.
it is. They're all very, like the two of them are who were doing the show for the first time,
Yeah.
very suljawa, very, like, they will listen. They were also so eager, hungry to do. All of them are very, they have a great work ethic, all of them. Like, they might come across as rowdy monkeys right now. But they have a great work ethic. No,
This is so much fun.
Oh, look at, of all the people, Naina is being offended. Revati is looking like, how dare. No,
She's like, Anushka, I was like, yeah, we are. Why are you getting offended?
But I mean, their work ethic is so strong. They're so eager to do like a good job with their character, to take feedback, to play off another actor, and also at the same time, so like fun ek taraf, calm ek taraf, and so they've got that great the what do you say, the
Rapport?
shiddat towards the
Passion.
Yeah, passion
Determination.
for doing the
Sincerity.
Oh.
Also, I believe that as actors, you're always like dreaming of roles, right? You're dreaming of stories which
Yeah.
you want to do. So for me, it was like that. My
Yeah.
passion comes from there because I always dreamt of doing something like this. And when you get it, then you want to do your best. Then you just want
Yeah.
to go and ace. Like you
Yeah.
have to try at least to give your 200%. And that's why I think we were all hopefully very disciplined and didn't trouble you.
No, and
like
they
that.
didn't. I mean, they didn't trouble me in the way that people convey. I'm only responding to, not that they didn't trouble. That they didn't trouble us teenagers. Like, I would never look at them and go, teenagers. No, because that I never felt. Like, I never felt that they were, oh, bachas being out of hand. That never happened.
at sex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of them
The
would just
best.
come and sit on set. We
After
had a
you pack up,
great
we have
young
hit it out.
team.
After you pack up in
How
your
many
car,
times?
Chandu.
Oh, things have happened.
Shout out to Chandu.
Yeah, shout out to Chandu inside my car. Anyway. Yeah.
Lovely. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, guys.
Thank
It was
you.
so
Thank
much
you.
fun
Thank
talking to
you.
you all.
Thank
you so
you.
much.